start the view from here with the rest of the shoulder team. We're just getting started on the right shoulder. We're looking in from the back to the front. Everything that you see is magnified 30 or 40 times on the screen, and we're just getting our first look inside the shoulder. You're laying on your side, and your right arm is up in the air. And we're just now going to get our shaver and use that to help us identify the anatomy. You can see a great cannula there, just to give you an idea of the magnification. The opening in that great cannula is about 5 millimeters. To the left of this, we have some torn tissue. That's either a rotator cuff. Looks like it's a torn rotator cuff. Okay. We're going to put a shaver in right here. There it is. And we're going to use this to debride some of the torn tendons so we can get a good assessment of exactly what's torn here. Now we're getting a better look. You can see the biceps tendon is already ruptured. We knew that. Now this is where the rotator cuff's torn away from. So we're going to use at least one suture anchor to repair this. Maybe two. We'll start with one for sure. Now, we're going to look around the rest of the joint just to make sure there's nothing else we need to worry about. This is the posterior capsule. That looks fine. A little bit of a posterior labral tear that is usually best treated just with debridement. If we can't get there, we'll just change positions and take care of that in a little bit here. This is the anterior shoulder. You can see a little bit of tearing in the subscap. And that leading edge of the subscap. So we're going to look at that a little more here. Okay, so we're looking at the subscap tendon, which is the anterior part of the rotator cuff. And it's still attached, it's just that there's some fraying of the most superior edge of it. Looking down the front, this tear is a little bit more extensive than I was hoping, so I am going to put an anchor in here just to repair it. Right now we're just making some room so we can see the repair. I'll show you some more in just a minute. We're passing a needle through the torn subscap. We're using a black wire called the super shuttle. So the subscap repair looks good. There's actually two sutures tied. There's a clear, or not clear, a white one and a black and white one. They're kind of just off the top right of the screen if you can see them. And as you pull back and look at the subscap, there's a lot better tension on it now. See that? So I'm happy with those two sutures doing the job. We're going to get to work on the other part of the rotator cuff that's torn now. That's going to be the supraspinatus right over here. Okay, so here's the tear in the tendon. You can see I've got a spinal needle coming in just to help me kind of assess the tear. I'm going to place the suture anchor down right about there. We're going to go ahead and take a little nick in the skin. Make a little nick in the skin. And then we'll show you some more in a minute. Okay, so we've got our anchor in. You can see the kind of there's all the sutures. We're going to have to look at these. It looks like I can start with this little white one here, so we'll do that. So now we're we're going to make this stitch. We're going to start in the back, which is this left side of the screen. Okay, so we're all done here. We've got this tendon repaired. I'll show you. You can see the sutures across the top there. And as we rotate, you can see that that hole is completely sealed over. That's where it was. That's the most anterior suture, that black and white one. Then we've got the solid blue, and then in the back we've got a blue and white one. So those three sutures are holding down that tear. And that's pretty good. We're just going to finish up a little bit of cleanup work, and then we're going to get you back to the recovery room. So hopefully this will do a trick for you. Good luck to you now. Bye-bye.